Hi, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a new A9000R integrated stereo amplifier. Across the front of the unit we've got the power button, volume control, direct on and off switch which actually kills the display to improve sound quality, an LED display and a rotary input selector, but this can also be done on the remote control that I'll show you later. Underneath the front flap we have speakers A and B switch, which allows you to select one or the other or both, which will enable you to by wire if necessary. We then have buttons for the bass up and down. This also shows in the display window as you're increasing and decreasing them. Next there is a treble control, both plus and minus. Again, this will show in the window of the amplifier as you're increasing and decreasing them. And finally the balance control, which will allow for those slightly small adjustments that you need to make because of room acoustics or preferences. In the setup of the amplifier there's a few useful features. The first one is show. This means you can turn off unused inputs that you're not using, so it just allows you to skip between the inputs you are using. The next function is HP level, and this allows you to change the offset in the headphones to match in with the speakers. The ASB is an automatic standby facility, so if you leave the amplifier with no signal for an extended period of time, it will automatically go into standby. And then the route, this allows you to set the amplifier as a normal amp, a pre-power, or you can split it using the phonos on the back to add in a particular processor, and a full reset to take it back to factory conditions. We're now going to run through the back of the A9000R. The first thing you'll notice is the oversized speaker connections on the back. This will accept heavy grade speaker cable directly in the side, or alternatively you can use 4mm banana plugs. We have the RI control, a USB input for direct connection to your PC. We also have the AES EBU balanced digital connection, two coaxial digital ins, and an optical input. So all of your digital sources are catered for directly. We also have a moving coil, a moving magnet, phono board built in, and a ground tag. You select the moving coil or moving magnet just by depressing the switch. And then we have three analog inputs, a line out, and then a pre-out and main in. This enables you to use it as a preamp or a power amp, or actually put a loop through to allow you to use a sound processor of some type, maybe for room equalization or just a standard high-end equalizer. And now I'm going to take you through the inside of the A9000R. Right, now we've got the lid off, I can show you around. In the centre of the amplifier we're using 4 high-grade audiophile capacitors to feed the whole system. We're using a massive power supply bolted to the front. We're also using a dual mono symmetrical layout system for the amplifiers for the left and the right. There are in fact 2 capacitors per channel, so there's no problem in the delivery of power. The digital PCB is stacked at the top away from all the other circuitry, so there's no interference, and all the analog circuitry including the phono board are located as far away from the digital board as possible. And here's a close-up of the digital processing board. So all of the digital signals coming in, processed on this board and sent out to the amplifiers. Well, I hope you enjoyed the walk around our new high-end integrated amplifier, the A9000R, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.